As a server administrator, you have tools and commands available to you to check and control the processes that are running on your server. In this video, we just touch the surface and tell you about those type of tools and how you can use them, so you are aware that what is happening on your server and you can control it better. Let's log into the server using the root user that has all control over the server. And as soon as we log into the server, a session is created for this login. We can show the processes, including the login that is running on our server, by doing show process lists. And this will return a session that is created for the root user and has an ID attached to it. Now let's say that we want to create another session at the same time by logging into the server also as another user. And this means another session will be created. If I repeat the command, we will see that another session for this user with this ID is created. As the administrator, we can end processes by typing kill and then the process ID. It doesn't mean that this user will be logged out, but it means that this specific session with this ID will be terminated. If I do this and show the process list again, we will see that the process is ended. Now, there are more commands that you can watch your server with. For example, show status, and it will return the status of your server. You can use the commands to change the status, but for this video we will just talk about using the commands to watch the server. The other command that you have available to you is show variables, and these are the variables that assign the behavior of your MySQL server. Also, again, you have commands to change these variables to tweak the behavior of your MySQL server, and you will learn much more about these type of commands and controls while you're working with your server as administrator or as a user.